This Key Realty LLC property video is presented by Deborah Schwartz. Deborah Schwartz with Key Realty is proud to present this visual tour for your information and enjoyment. She is licensed in Louisiana, USA. Can you imagine living on the Red River and enjoying the spectacular sunrise and sunset views? Not ready to buy just yet? Live the dream by leasing this gorgeous riverfront home. This home features an open floor plan, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, an office, and with 3,300 heated square feet, there is room for everyone. If you need more space, check out the double-covered wraparound porches. Need more? There is a 2-car garage, a boat launch, and a whole house generator. All this for only $2,950 per month. Minimum 1-year lease. Call Deborah for more information. For more information, review the details.